Hi everybody, once again welcome back to my channel. So just I will recall to you what I thought in the previous videos about the previous class, previous chapter. So in the microeconomics part A, first lesson you learnt as introduction to microeconomics. In that lesson, first topic you learnt an economy, next production possibility frontier. Under that, another two topics you have to study. One is production possibilities, opportunity costs, then basic problems of economy, what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. Remember, in how to produce, labor intensive technology and capital intensive technology. Then economic system, there are three types of economic system: central planned economy, market economy, mixed economy. Then economic approaches, there are four economic approach, positive economic approach, what was and what is; normative economic approach, what should be done and what should not be done or what ought to be. Then microeconomic approach, it studies individual or part of an economy. Macroeconomic approach, it studies aggregates or whole part of the economy. So this is what I taught you in the previous videos about the first lesson of second PUC. Now let's move on to the second lesson. Second lesson name, the theory of consumer behavior. A part A, second lesson it is. So in the theory of consumer behavior, just whatever you have to learn, I made a list of that points. First one, consumption. Then utility, types of utility or concepts of utility, total utility, average utility and marginal utility, its formulas. Then measure of utility. Utility can be measured by using two methods: cardinal utility analysis and ordinal utility analysis. Next, in the cardinal utility analysis, you have to learn two topics. One is law of diminishing marginal utility. Next one, budget line and budget set. Then in ordinal utility analysis, you have to learn mainly two topics. One is indifference curve and optimum choice of consumer behavior. The indifference curve, then indifference map, features of indifference curve, then marginal rate of substitution, MRS. Next to that, demand, the concept demand, then demand function, law of demand, types of demand, individual demand, market demand, then shift in demand, movement along demand curve, then types of goods, normal good, inferior good, substitute good, complementary good, given goods, then elasticity of demand, types of elasticity, price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, and cross elasticity of demand. There are three types of elasticity. So in that price elasticity of demand, you have five types: perfect elasticity of demand, perfect inelasticity of demand, relative or more elasticity of demand, less elasticity of demand, or relative inelasticity of demand, unitary elasticity of demand. Then finally, elasticity along linear demand curve. So many topics you have to learn from the second lesson. Be careful, here nearly 19 marks they will cover to your exam from the second lesson. The first lesson they will cover 6 marks for your exam, but in second lesson they will cover 19 marks. So you have to be more careful with that second lesson. So thank you. Now from next video I will begin with the consumption, utility and types of utility and all. Then I will proceed. Thank you for watching.